Good morning, students. Today we are going to start debentures. In the previous lecture, already we have seen the company accounts, issue of shares. Already we have studied company account 2013. For all the lectures, you can go in my playlist and you can watch all the videos in the playlist class under class 12 accounts. Okay, so today we are going to start debentures. Okay, my dear friends, in the reference of raising fund means when company start to raise the fund, then company select the two ways. First one is shares and second one is debenture. Shares, about shares, how the company issue the shares, what are the issuing methods of issuing shares, means all about the shares already we have studied in the previous lectures. Okay, my dear friends, so today we are going to start debentures. This is a new chapter for you, and what is debenture, first of all we will understand. Okay, so what do you mean by debentures? Means for the business purpose, company require more fund for the extension of the business, for the growth of the business. Company wants more and more fund. Company requires more and more fund. Okay, then company issue the shares. Company issue the shares and raise the fund through share capital, through issuing share capital. Okay, but one thing, when a company requires more and more fund, then company will go for loan. Okay, so by source of fund, company collect the funds from shares, and second, debentures. Clear? Shares and debentures. Okay, my dear friends. So, shares, company can issue up to a certain limit. Company can issue the shares up to a certain limits, not more than that. Means whatever the authorized capital of the company can issue the shares only up to authorized capital. Okay, so it's a limit. But when company requires more and more fund, clear, then company will go for the fund, means where? For loan. Okay, so there are various institutions for loan, like bank, a specialized bank, a specific bank like IDBIs, industrial bank, a specific bank, and so many financial institutions are available. Financial institutions are available for the giving loan. But why the company of the debentures? Why the company for raising loan through debentures? Why not for these institutions? Okay, so we will understand all things. We will understand under this chapter, debentures. So first of all, we will understand the meaning. Share capital. What do you mean by shares? Certificate of capital. Getting over? As it is a certificate of loan. Certificate of loan. Okay, means when company will issue the debentures, then so many investors Okay, will purchase the debenture as like shares, will purchase the debentures. Suppose the debenture of value is rupees 100, rupees 1 debenture. The cost of one debenture is rupees 100. Means these people are called what? Debentures holder. All these people are called debenture holder. Okay, when they will take the debentures, they will call debenture holder. Company will get the money. Company will get the money. They will pay 100, 100, 100 if they are purchasing one debentures 100, 100, and company will get the amount and they will get a certificate of loan. Means a part of paper, certificate of paper, and that will be under the contract with the company. Means they will pay the rupees 100 or whatever they can. If they have paid in one time, so rupees 100 they will get the certificate. Clear now? Okay. So according to Act, under the Companies Act 2013, the definition of debenture is debenture includes debenture stocks, bonds and any other securities of company, whether constituting a charge on the assets of the company or not. Clear now? In your book there is given the definition of under the Companies Act 2013. You can go and see that definitions. Clear? So we will understand all these things. Okay, the basic concept of the debentures. So in your mind you have created a basic idea. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, so first of all we will understand why company will take the loan from issue the fund from debentures, not from bank. क्लियर? कहने का मतलब यह है कि कंपनी बैंक को छोड़ के या इतने सारे फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस को छोड़ के क्यों डिवेंचर के थ्रू लोन लेना पसंद करेगी? क्लियर? आपको इस चीज को समझना होगा. Debentures, when the company issue the debentures, okay, so we will understand why company will issue the debentures. Okay, see here. Suppose a company ABC Limited taking loan of rupees 1 lakh. Okay, by the rate of interest with the interest of 10%. Okay, with the rate of interest 10%. Okay, this is the bank and this is the debenture. Okay, this is the bank and this is the debenture. Okay, we will understand why the company will issue the debentures not from the bank. Okay, so company has taken loan 1 lakh rupees from bank and from the debentures with the 10% and from the debenture rate company will issue the debenture suppose 12%. Clear? Or for the calculation 12%. First year, second year, third year. Okay, first year, second year and third year. Clear? In first year the company will pay the interest 10% of 1 lakh, 10% of 1 lakh. How much? 10,000. Second year 10,000 and third year 10,000. Means in 3 years paying 30,000 rupees interest. Okay. Through debentures, company is taking loan 1 lakh rupees by the rate of 12% per annum. Okay, by the rate of 12% per annum. Rate of interest is high. You can see here 2% rate of interest is more compared to the bank. Okay. So first year, suppose when the company will issue the debentures, then for issuing debentures there are process. What process? Debenture application, debenture allotment, first call and second call. Clear? There are 4 process. Okay, मतलब 4 steps when company will collect the fund. Okay. At the time of, suppose rate of debenture is ₹10. एक डिवेंचर की वैल्यू कितनी है? 10 रुपीज. ओके. एंड ऑन एप्लीकेशन कंपनी इज टेकिंग 2, ऑन अलॉटमेंट 3 फर्स्ट कॉल एंड 2 सेकंड कॉल. इन द फर्स्ट ईयर कंपनी इज ओनली टेकिंग द एप्लीकेशन मनी. मीन्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द नीड ऑफ द कंपनी अपनी जरूरतों के अनुसार क्या करेगी? पैसा मार्केट से उठाएगी. यहां क्या होगा? जब हम बैंक से लोन लेने जाएंगे तो बैंक एक बार में हमको क्या करेगा? बार बार बैठेगा हमारे लिए कि आओ भैया आप स्पेशल लोन मेरे लिए, हम आपको बार बार आपके लिए जितना पैसा होगा उतने बैठेंगे. नहीं, वन टाइम में आपको ये क्या करेगा? ये बैंक आपको सेटलमेंट कर देगा और 1 लाख रुपए आपके खाते में क्रेडिट कर देगा. क्लियर? ओके. लेकिन यहां कंपनी क्या है? कंपनी अपनी अकॉर्डिंग टू द नीड ऑफ द कंपनी विल गो टू द पब्लिक के पास जाएगी और कहेगी, अपनी जरूरतों के अनुसार क्या करेगी? उनसे पैसे लेगी. तो पहले साल क्या किया कंपनी ने? एप्लीकेशन मनी किया. उसको उतना ही पैसे की जरूरत थी, उतना ही पैसा लेगी. ओके. तो कंपनी हैज टेकन लोन. सपोज 1 लाख के शेयर्स हैं तो मान लीजिए 10,000 है. 10,000 नंबर ऑफ डिबेंचर्स हो गए. 10,000 डिबेंचर्स. तो पहले साल लिया कंपनी ने 20,000. द फर्स्ट ईयर कंपनी हैज टेकन द अमाउंट 20,000. ओके. इन द सेकेंड ईयर कंपनी हैज टेकन 3 rupees ऑन अलॉटमेंट. 3 rupees ऑन अलॉटमेंट. ओके. 10,000 into 3, 30,000. And in the third year, company is taking 30,000 and okay. Only we are seeing the 3-year calculations. Okay. In 3-year calculation, you will understand what is the best. Okay, for long-term loan. So company will pay in first year. Company will pay the first year how much? 12% on 20,000. 12 दूनी 24. 12 to the 24. 2,400. Company will pay the amount of loan rupees 2,400. Is it clear? In the second case, in second year, 20,000 plus 30,000. The amount of total amount 50,000. 12% on 50,000 is rupees 6,000. Okay. And in third year, what you are saying here, the total amount of the loan from the through debentures 20,000 plus 30,000 plus 30,000 means 80,000. 12% on 80,000 is rupees 9,600. What you are saying? You are saying the total amount of interest is 6 to 8 and 17, and you will add this one 18,000. Total amount of interest 18,000. What a big difference. Only the amount of loan is rupees 1 lakh. जब लोन का अमाउंट 1 लाख रुपए है तो आप देख सकते हैं कितना बड़ा डिफरेंस आ रहा है. क्या कंपनी जब बैंक के थ्रू लोन ले रही है तो उसको कितना पे करना पड़ रहा है, और जब डिवेंचर के थ्रू लोन ले रही है तो कंपनी को कितना पे करना पड़ रहा है. Is it clear to everyone? कहने का मतलब ये है कि ये बस 3 ईयर का कैलकुलेशन है. And when the company will take the loan for the long term period, then company will get benefit. और ज़्यादा अमाउंट उसको मिलेगा, और ज़्यादा उसकी बचत होगी, और ज़्यादा उसकी क्या होगी, सेविंग्स होगी. Is it clear to everyone? तो आप देख रहे हैं ना. And the rate of interest is also high. Only 10% and company is giving here what? 12%. कितना दे रही है? 2% का. अगर कंपनी 15% भी दे, 20% भी दे, तो क्या होगा? 20% भी अगर लोन दे, 20% के रेट पे भी लोन दे रही है, तो कंपनी को क्या हो रहा है? बचत होगा इन द लॉन्ग टर्म प्रेफरेंस. मैं लॉन्ग टर्म की बात कर रहा हूं. क्या है? डिवेंचर्स को मैंने बताया, इट्स अ सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ लोन. सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ लोन, ठीक है ना. जब हम कंपनी को लॉन्ग टर्म लोन लेता होता है, लॉन्ग टर्म लोन मीन्स मिनिमम 10 ईयर, मैक्सिमम 30 ईयर. मिनिमम 10 ईयर और मैक्सिमम 30 ईयर की बात हो रही है. मतलब मैक्सिमम जब बड़े बड़े प्रोजेक्ट लेते हैं, प्रोजेक्ट के लिए हम लोन लेते हैं, तो हमको इसी तरीके से 30 ईयर का लोन लेना पड़ता है. एंड दैट केस कंपनी को डिवेंचर के थ्रू लिया गया लोन क्या होता है? सस्ता पड़ता है, अच्छा पड़ता है, बेस्ट पड़ता है. इसलिए कंपनी डिवेंचर इशू करती है. आपको समझ में आ गया होगा ये सब सारी चीजें. ओके, अब हम चीजों को क्या देखेंगे? अब हम देखेंगे टाइप्स ऑफ डिवेंचर्स. ओके, टाइप्स ऑफ डिवेंचर्स. टाइप्स ऑफ डिवेंचर्स. पहला सिक्योर्ड डिवेंचर. सिक्योर्ड डिवेंचर. ओके. सेकेंड वन इज अनसिक्योर्ड डिवेंचर. अनसिक्योर्ड डिवेंचर. थर्ड वन इज रजिस्टर्ड डिवेंचर. रजिस्टर्ड डिवेंचर. फोर्थ वन इज bearer debenture. Bearer debenture. Fifth one is bearer debenture. Fifth one is redeemable debentures and irredeemable debentures. Redeemable debentures, irredeemable debentures, and last one is convertible debentures. Convertible debentures. These all are the types. This is the very important for the theoretical point of view. Okay, so you can understand the types of debenture and types of preferential also. Okay, secured debentures. Secured debentures are those type of debentures which are secured against the assets. जैसे when the company will issue the debentures, then company will mortgage of all the assets of the company against debenture. All the assets, not all the assets. मतलब जितने रुपए का whatever the value of debenture is issuing by the company, that value of assets will be mortgaged against the debenture. That will be called secured debentures. Unsecured, which is not secured against the assets. Registered, which is the registered in the book of the company, that is called registered debenture. Bearer debentures, who hold the debentures at the date of maturity. मतलब जो डेट ऑफ मैच्योरिटी के दिन जो बियर डिवेंचर को होल्ड कर रहा है उसको क्या कहेंगे? बियर डिवेंचर. रिडीमेबल, which can be redeemed after a certain fixed period of time. Okay, that is called redeemable debentures. Irredeemable debentures, which cannot be redeemed, means which will be redeemed at the time of insolvent, और जब उसका टाइम पीरियड खत्म होगा उसी टाइम वो क्या होगा? उसका पेमेंट होगा, अदरवाइज नहीं होगा. फिर convertible debentures, which can be converted in the form of equity shares, that is called convertible debentures. So these all are the types of debentures. Okay, my dear friends, you can prepare your notes. Okay, so now we are going to study how can we issue the debentures. जैसे हम शेयर इश्यू करते थे, एज वी वर इशूइंग शेयर्स, as it is we will issue the debentures, where we write the shares, we will write the debenture, replace the word shares by debentures. Clear? So first entry, there are process of issuing debentures, process, share application, prospectus, okay, debenture application, okay, debenture allotment, and then debenture first call, फिर debenture second and final call. This is the process. By this way we will issue the debentures. Okay. So what entry would be passed at the time of issuing bank account debit to debenture application account? Okay. जैसे हम शेयर का इशू करते थे, वैसे उसको the shares word will be replaced by the debentures. Bank account debit to debenture application. Is it clear? Second entry, debenture application account debit to debentures. Debenture application account debit to debenture allotment. Application की entry है allotment, debenture allotment debit to debentures, फिर bank debit to debenture allotment. This two entries for allotment of shares. Okay, first call debenture first call debit to debentures, and last bank account debit to debenture first call. Okay, as it is second and final call, you can understand. Okay, so you can write this is the process. Okay, my dear students. Method of issuing shares. Method of issuing shares. Debenture, sorry. Method of issuing debentures. There are three ways we can issue the debentures. First one is at par, at premium, at discount. Okay, at par, at premium, and at discount. At par, same entry, whatever I have told you before this. Okay. At premium, what we will do? Means if we are taking premium with the allotment, then what we will do? Entry will be debenture allotment account debit to debenture to premium on issue of debenture to securities premium on issue of debenture. You will write this way. This entry and amount of bank debit to debenture allotment. Clear? At discount, debenture allotment account debit. Okay. Discount on issue of debenture account debit to debenture. Clear? To debenture. Next, bank debit to debentures. Like this way, par, premium, and par, premium, and discount. If we are taking the amount of premium with the allotment, we will pass this in the entry like this: debenture allotment account debit to debenture to premium on issue of debenture discount on issue of debenture account debit to debentures, and then with bank account debit to debentures. So by this way we can do the all entries. Okay, my dear friends. Okay, some important cases I want to tell you about the debentures. Okay, issue of debenture other than cash means cash के अलावा, when we will issue the debentures, cash के अलावा कैसे हम डिबेंचर को इशू करेंगे? तो आपने शेयर्स पढ़ा था, इशू ऑफ शेयर्स अदर देन कैश. एज इट इज वी विल डिस्कस इशू ऑफ डिबेंचर अदर देन कैश. ओके, when we will issue the debentures to promoters, entry will be, देखते जाइए, to promoters, entry will be incorporation cost account debit to debentures. Okay, clear? To underwriters, if we will issue debentures to underwriters, when we will issue the debentures to underwriters, then what entry we will do? Okay, see here, underwriter commission debit to underwriter. Okay, and second entry, first entry this, and second entry underwriter debit to debentures. Third case, to vendor means if we are issuing debentures to any vendor, जैसे हम कोई assets खरीद रहे हैं तो क्या होगा? Sundry assets debit to vendor. फिर second entry vendor debit to debentures, and if premium तो क्या लगा देंगे? to premium on debentures, premium on issue of debentures. ओके, पहली एंट्री, दूसरी एंट्री अगर डिस्काउंट होगा तो वेंडर डेबिट डिस्काउंट ऑन इशू ऑफ डिबेंचर डेबिट टू डिबेंचर्स. ये तीन एंट्रियां की जाएंगी. क्लियर? सो आपको ये सारी चीजें क्लियर होंगी, ठीक है ना? हमने आज पढ़ा डेफिनेशन ऑफ डिबेंचर, मीनिंग एंड डेफिनेशन ऑफ डिबेंचर्स, फिर पढ़ा मैं उसके टाइप्स पढ़ा, मेथड्स पढ़ा, फिर डिबेंचर की एंट्री सारी पढ़ी, और फिर इशू ऑफ डिबेंचर अदर देन कैश पढ़ा. इन सब सारे पॉइंट्स पे लगभग बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं, आप लोग करने की कोशिश करिएगा. सब सेम एंट्री की प्रोसीजर है, सेम शेयर के जैसे का चैप्टर है, पिछले वाले चैप्टर की तरीके का है, ठीक है ना? उस पे इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम देन यू कैन आस्क. फॉर टुडे, थैंक यू वेरी मच.